Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy creamy shrimp and peas fettuccine recipe. Now you can swap out the peas for broccoli, and this recipe takes 30 minutes from start to finish. Let me tell you the ingredients. You need a pound of shrimp. I only have a half a pound, but what I'm going to do is make the full recipe, and if you guys make this, just use a pound of shrimp. You need 2 to 3 cups of broccoli if you're going to use it. You need to blanch them and then rinse them in cold water. You need a pound of pasta, rice, or fettuccine. I am using fettuccine. Use a little bit of extra virgin garlic oil. You need black pepper. I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. I'm using Adobe for a little extra seasoning. And it asks for 2/3 cup of wine, and supposedly the chefs say if you're going to add wine to your food when you cook it, make sure it's something you drink. I don't drink wine, but all the recipes ask for Sauvignon Blanc, so that's what I got. And then you need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You need 2 tablespoons of parsley and 6 cloves of garlic. I have them already chopped up. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my shrimp, turn the camera around, let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've got my skillet heating up. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and some olive oil to the skillet. Now if you guys know me, and you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I upload 2 videos a week. I always include inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end, and I'm a fan of quick, easy meals. Like I said, this is just for one person. I already have my fettuccine boiled. It's sitting in cold water, and like I said, according to the recipe, this is supposed to feed 6 people. I don't know how a pound of shrimp is supposed to feed 6 people, but okay. So this recipe is pretty quick. You add the garlic right into the oil, and you're supposed to just let it cook just for a few minutes to get the raw taste out of it. And everything else is basically a dump. You dump everything in, and then you add the shrimp. And I've got my shrimp cleaned. Like I said, it's only about 10 or 12 shrimp. So I put this up on high just to get this going. And I like making stuff that's quick. It's 9:30 at night, and this is, like I said, just enough for just one meal for myself. And so that makes it perfect, because it's just me and my husband here, those that know me, and there's no way he's going to eat this. He just informed me after 30 years of marriage a couple weeks ago that he really doesn't care for things with a white sauce. So this is a no-go. And then I thought about really showing you guys a shortcut and using jarred Alfredo sauce, but this is so simple. The main thing is just chopping up the garlic and getting that all prepared. So I'm just sauteing the garlic just for a few minutes, just so you can smell it. And then I'm going to add this 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You do not want your garlic to burn. It would pick up a bitter taste. That's 1 cup, 2 cups, which I love these kind of recipes because they're kind of a dump. And like I said, I don't really drink. Well, I don't drink wine at all. So I've got 1/3 a cup here, so you add 2/3 of a cup. So I'm going to add 1. See how easy this is? You just add everything in at once. 2. And then you add the black pepper. I'm going to use some Goya seasoning just for extra flavor, because it just was too bland the first time I made this, and those that know me know I like my food to pack a punch, because it's absolutely delicious. And like I said, you see how easy it is. It's a no-brainer, and you guys that know me know I do not like to cook. I cook out of necessity. So this is a hobby for me, something that I do just to do. I'm going to add some of this. This is Goya adobo. It's all-purpose seasoning. So I'm not really measuring that. There's quite a bit of that in there. I'm waiting for this to come up to temperature. Then I'm just going to add the shrimp. And that's it. And the shrimp cook anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, or until this thickens. And then you add the pasta in, and then the dinner is ready. You can serve this with crusty bread, a salad. And what I'm going to do, if there's any sauce or whatever left, is it's not enough shrimp. I'm sure I'll still have some pasta left. I will just eat the pasta without the shrimp. So I'm just cooking this around, waiting for this to get thick. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and drain my pasta so it'll be all ready to go. I'll be right back. Okay, I have my sauce is starting to really bubble. And I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp in here to this. I'll count them. 1, 2. These are peeled, cleaned, deveined, and the tails are off. You can use it with the tails, that's fine. Any way you like it. These are jumbo, by the way. That's why and it says, you know, according to recipes, it's supposed to feed 6 people with a pound of shrimp. I mean, I don't know. How many shrimp do you get a piece? With 4? So I don't see how that's going to work. But you just cook this until the shrimp are done, which doesn't take long. And I got it on high heat. I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese towards the end, which should also thicken it up. So I thought you guys would really enjoy this quick weeknight, or it could be a Sunday dinner. You know, you can spruce it up, like I said, and add a bunch of vegetables and a salad. It smells wonderful, and like I said, it's quick. And as you see, the shrimp are already cooking pretty quickly, because when they turn pink like that, they're done. So this only takes about 5 minutes. And I do have that up on high. I'm just stirring this around because I don't want it to burn. And that was 6 cloves of garlic. And I wanted to show you guys my little trash. I've already started to wash it, but if you guys don't like to do garlic, get one of these. You can put it in with the skin and everything on there. You don't have to peel it. And it will definitely, it will mince your garlic totally. And you don't have to do anything to it. But just smash it through and then clean it. I'm going to cut this down. This is cooking pretty quick. I'm going to add the parsley to this. You really don't want to overcook the shrimp because you know they'll become rubbery. And this is heavy cream, so it does thicken while you cook it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. I don't know how much this is. This is half a container. And you guys know I have a great joke for you guys. I'm just using up the last ingredients that I have. That's why I decided to make this recipe, to show you guys something quick and easy. If you like seafood and seafood Alfredo or something like that, your family might really enjoy this recipe. Here we are. Just going to go ahead and let this simmer. So I'm going to come back and get this set up and then add the pasta and then get ready to tell you guys my joke. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. As I stated, I upload 2 videos a week and tell a controversial or a crazy joke at the end. I hope you guys come back for the next one, because I enjoy doing this as a hobby and to give people like myself who don't like to cook. Most people on cooking channels love to cook. That's what they do. I don't. This is for the lazy person who doesn't like to cook. So I will be right back with you guys in just a few moments. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my fettuccine pasta, and those that know me know that I like it well done. So cook it to your desired tenderness. Most boxes say 10 to 12 minutes and leave it al dente. It will still cook while it's in the sauce here. It will get some cooking time in here. But I like mine well done, so I go like 15 minutes. And then I've rinsed it in cold water to make it so it won't stick together. And this is probably 1/3 of a box. This is a pound of fettuccine in a box. Since I only had 12 or 13 shrimp, I didn't see any point in cooking the whole box. So I'm just going to mix this around. And there you have it. It is completely finished. I'm going to turn the camera around and get ready to tell you guys my joke. You know what? I forgot to add the peas, because this is supposed to have peas. I left them in the refrigerator. I apologize. That was part of the recipe, because these are frozen, and I like frozen peas. And for the broccoli, it says to add 2 to 3 cups. I'm just going to add like that many, like a handful or 2 of frozen peas. I prefer frozen peas to the ones in the can, so I'm just letting that come to temperature and be all set, because that's what I like about frozen peas. They have nice flavor and they're not mushy and they look prettier. They're not dark green. So this is creamy shrimp and peas fettuccine. Quick weeknight dinner for you guys. So now I'm going to turn the camera around and get ready to tell you guys my joke. Okay everyone, there you have it. This is creamy. This is shrimp Alfredo with fettuccine and peas. And like I said, if you don't want to use wine, you can swap that out with chicken broth. That's what I normally do, but I was lucky enough to find that little carton I showed you of wine, the Sauvignon Blanc, because I really hated to buy a full bottle because I don't drink wine. But let me tell you my joke. A Louisiana farmer in his pickup truck drove to a neighbor and knocked on the door. A boy about 9 opened the door. Is your dad home? No sir, he isn't. He went to town. Well, is your mother here? No sir, she went to town with dad. How about your brother Davis? Is he here? No, sir. He went with Mom and Dad. The rancher stood there for a few moments, shifting from one foot to the other, mumbling to himself. Is there anything I can do for you? I know where all the tools are if you want to borrow one, or can I give my dad a message? The guy says, well, said the rancher, uncomfortably, I really wanted to talk to your dad. It's about your brother David getting my daughter pregnant. You will have to talk to my dad about that. I know he charges $500 for the bull, $300 for the hog, but I don't know what he charges for David. Sick, isn't it? That's my joke. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please come back for the next one. And if you like, please subscribe and share, and leave me some tips on how you would change this recipe, or better yet, let me know if you make it. So have a good evening, and God bless.